The 12 Days of Positivmas, Day 8. I was in a right state, so I went for a walk, because we all know that walking is a great source of exercise and relief of stress and anxiety, because it gets your lungs moving, it gets your heart beating faster, it moves your limbs and muscles, and it changes your state like nothing else. Nature is a wonderful way of letting go of stress, of depression, of anxieties. Walking through the trees by the sound of a river. It's been scientifically proven that by doing this 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can reduce your stress levels, your depressions, lift your anxieties. And you can't walk through the forest or through woodland and parkland like this. Walk outside for 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day. As long as you're in a well-lit area, it's safe to do so. And if you're lucky to get a sunny day like this, it will really lift your spirits. The 12 Days of Positivmas, Day 8, I was in a right state, so I went for a walk to change my state. Thank you.